Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I have filmed. I don't know if you can tell, but my voice is kind of like eh. And that's just because I was sick last week, so I did not want to film. I thought about it, but I could not stop coughing, so I was like, I'm not even going to try to attempt this because it's going to be a lot of coughing, a lot of like choppy parts in the editing. It's going to be ugly. But anyways, this week I am back. So today's video is going to go ahead and be a unboxing video. I honestly love doing unboxing videos, especially whenever I'm able to show y'all. That way y'all know, like, if it's a subscription, y'all know what's kind of an idea of what's in the box. I love reviewing subscription boxes. So with saying that, today's box that we're going to go ahead and be unboxing is the FabFitFun starter box. This is just a trial box that they send. This girl on Twitter was like, hey, I got 7 trial boxes that I can go ahead and send out to y'all. All you gotta do is pay shipping, and yeah. So I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and see what FabFitFun's about. So I just paid shipping. It got to my house probably within like 3 to 4 weeks. Probably something like that, like 3 to 4 weeks. Really not that long. I think in the box there's only 4 products because it's their starter box. It's not a full-size box that you would normally get from them. So with the FabFitFun box, the way that it works, it is seasonal. So you get it once every season, and it's going to range between products that are similar to beauty, wellness, fashion, and fitness. Each box is limited edition, and the retail value of each box is $200 plus. So which is pretty good. I know that the December box that they just sent out, so their winter seasonal box or their winter's editor box, I've been looking into it, and I think that box had like 8 items, and all the 8 items together retailed to almost $400. So that's pretty dang good, especially if you're only spending $49.99 a season. So there's 2 ways of going about making payments. One way is $179 up front, and that pays for your first 4 boxes for the year. It says you will not be charged for your subscription again until the end of the annual term. That's what it's saying on here. I'm kind of reading it off of online, that way I don't get the information messed up. And then the second option is a seasonal subscription. It's $49.99 per box each season. Your subscription automatically renews each season unless you decide to cancel before your upcoming bill, and they let you know about a week to 2 weeks before they go ahead and charge you for the next season. I like the fact that I can go ahead and pay $49.99 once every season, and I'm getting my money's worth. I think that's one thing that I actually like. That way I'm not just going in and I'm spending such amount of money, I'm not getting that much back that I'm putting into it. So we're gonna go ahead and get into unboxing this box. I kind of took a peek. I wasn't supposed to, but I couldn't help myself because this has legit been sitting on my table for the past like 2 weeks since I have not been able to film. So this is what the box looks like. I'm not going to flip it over to the back because it has my address on it. So just opening up the box, this is what the inside of the box looks like. It's really cute, really pink. So one thing that I do like is that they have it like wrapped in tissue paper with this cute little, you know, sticker on it. So opening up the box, this box is so heavy. I don't know how I'm going to do it whenever I start doing, you know, other boxes. So this note, there's a little note, and it says a note from us. At FabFitFun, we're all about bringing you the best of the best. That's why we're super excited for you to experience the starter box. It's just a small taste of what you can look forward to as a FabFitFun member. Enjoy some of our top rated products, and don't forget that your next box will be even bigger and include even more products. Happy unboxing, FabFitFun. So that's what it says on this side. On the other side is the products that I'm getting inside the box. The next thing that's inside the box is this little magazine that it comes with. I've seen a few of the FabFitFun like unboxings, and they all come with little magazines. They're like seasonal magazines, and it just tells you what's basically in the box, how the box was curated, 5 ways to boost your workout. It's just like a small, you know, magazine giving you information about the box, giving you things that you can use the box for, how to use the products that are inside the box. You know, just fun little stuff like that. They have like horoscopes and stuff. I think that's really cool because they're giving you like, you know, this is like a subscription. You're getting everything. You're getting a magazine subscription and makeup and stuff included, and they're giving you detail on how you can use the products rather than just saying like, hey, here's the products, there you go. They're giving you like how other people use it. They're giving you, you know, celebrity reviews and stuff like that. So opening up the box, this is what that looks like. So in this box I went ahead and I got 4 products. So the first product that I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all is the black eye mask, and this is a 5 mask pack. It has hyaluronic acid in it. So what it says on my card, it says, is your under eye area puffy or swollen? Depuff with this activated charcoal eye mask for a refreshed look. This is a 5-pack. It's a hydrogel eye mask with hyaluronic acid, and it retails for $29. So since it retails $29, I'm already getting my monies back, even though I just spent like what, $5-6 for shipping. At least I'm already getting what I've spent back, so that's a really big plus for me. The next thing that we have in the box is this Sponge Gel Body Wash Infused Buffer in the scent Beach Grass. It says that it is multi-use. It cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. It's dermatologist tested. So on here, on the little card, it says that it retails for $16. The exfoliating texture of the sponge will instantly change into a soft, silky one as you cleanse and moisturize your body. So it's like a good exfoliator. Honestly, I've been wanting an exfoliator for a while, a really good one. Let me go ahead and open it and see what it smells like and show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It's like a little flower. It smells like and it smells like just typical body wash, kind of like Caress. That's the scent that it's giving me. It smells like Caress, honestly. But yeah, so that's what that looks like. The next thing I have in the box is the Ava. I don't know how to pronounce this. In one of my other unboxing videos, I got a lot of, not necessarily hate, but a lot of people trying to criticize me because I did not want to pronounce the brand name wrong. So I attempted at it this time. Don't come for me. At least I'm trying. But this is what that name is. That way y'all can go ahead and see it. I'm so sorry if this is your brand and I'm butchering this so bad. I did not mean to. Honestly, I just wanted to show it. That way I don't butcher it because I sound crazy. So what this is an elemental beauty from the Dead Sea. It's Dead Sea water mineral hand cream. This is a special size limited edition. I guess they don't normally make this size. It says this luxurious hand cream drenches your skin in velvety smoothness, enriched with refreshing witch hazel. It calms and softens environmentally stressed hands. It's approved for sensitive skin and allergy tested, which is a plus, honestly, because my skin's really sensitive. So on here, it says formulated with Dead Sea minerals, witch hazel, and allantoin. This mineral-rich hand cream instantly smooths rough, dry skin and restores suppleness. And that retails for $33. So this retails for $33. The other one retails for $16. The mask retails for $29. So honestly, this is really worth it. And then the last thing that I went ahead and got is this cute little tote. It is a Summer and Rose tote. I have not opened it. I've just seen it from the outside. So the tote, it is beige and kind of like a navy color, which is so cute. I love things like that. It's pretty decent size. It's really big. Honestly, this is a great beach tote, especially with the handles. It gives me like really like beachy vibes. So then this bag retails for $54, and it says the rope handle, stripes on stripes, vegan leather, so it is vegan. This tote deserves a spot in your handbag collection. It also features 2 pockets, making it easy to carry around the essentials. And then with each box, the colors will be randomly selected. Let me go ahead and open this. That way we see what it looks like on the inside. So I honestly think this is more like for beach, and I only say that because of the material on the inside. It's not one of the bags where all this material is on the inside as well as the outside. It does have a waterproof material on the inside. That way you can, you know, throw in your swim clothes after you get finished swimming, or, you know, just putting in your shoes. It's protected. The bag is protected by this material that is on the inside. Like they did say, there is 2 pockets on the inside as well. So I mean, it's pretty accurate with their description. I was thinking about, you know, getting rid of this because I really don't need it, but the more that I'm looking at it, the more I actually like it. So I actually might go ahead and keep it. It's really cute. It's really simple. It's not like, you know, those other bags where if you put wet clothes in it, it's gonna go ahead and seep through. I think that's one thing that I really like about that bag, is because it can be really good to use as a beach bag. So with all of those products, they are in the Winter's Editor box. So I did get a little preview as to what the Winter Editor's box will have whenever I go ahead and make my subscription this week. And the retail of the box is $132. Honestly, that is a big steal for me, especially like even if I did end up paying, you know, the $49.99, at least I'm still getting my money's worth. At least I'm not paying like $50 and I'm only getting, you know, a retail value of like $20 inside the box. I'm still getting a retail value of $50, you know, I'm still getting that from subscribing to the box. So within those 4 products, I know that all 4 of those products are in a different version of the Winter's Editor box or the Winter's box that they had. So I think that's pretty amazing that whenever you get a starter box that they go ahead and they send you products that are from the boxes that they already have out. That way you kind of get a taste of what's in the box. Honestly, this box is a win-win for me. I like the fact that it is seasonal, because honestly with me, not that I don't have $20 laying around to throw out every single month, but that's just, you know, after a while it starts to get a little bit too much whenever you're thinking about it. Like 12 months, you know, anywhere between $10 to $20 for a subscription box a month. And if you, like, you know, if you can't pay for it yearly, that kind of just starts to get tiring, especially whenever you're trying to save like me. So I prefer just to make one payment once every season, getting my money's worth. But yeah, so that's basically it for today's video. Be prepared to see more FabFitFun boxes on here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I want to say that pretty soon here I might do a giveaway. I'm still really thinking about it. I've been working like crazy, so I haven't been able to like sit down and think of what products for what or when I'm going to do this. But definitely go ahead and subscribe, because you never know what I could be up to. I might do like surprise giveaways or something. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram and Twitter at Ariel Celeste. If y'all want to go ahead and see more tutorials, more unboxing videos, more anything, please let me know y'all's suggestions for new videos. And yeah, I think that's basically it. So I'll go ahead and catch you guys in the next video.